Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish's video in Mr. Harrington's class. Alright, here we go. So, just like yesterday, solving equations with combining like terms and distribution. Oh my goodness, putting it all together. So we're still practicing this. It is, that's yesterday. Today is the 21st. Sorry, the 1st, 2021. December. Ooh. Almost Christmas time. So, example 1, write this down. Negative 5x plus 2 times the quantity x minus 3 equals negative 27. Negative 27 right there. Okay. Whoop. First thing, always draw a line down the equal sign. So that means I'm not going to compare like terms, combine like terms across the equal sign. This I'm going to combine like terms to distribute, and this I'm going to combine like terms to distribute over here. Okay, I can't put them together over the equal sign. So, step 1, distribute. There we go. Step 2, what is that? Remember? Oh, yeah. Combine like terms. Step 3, now it has the equal sign. You need to solve. And step 4, make sure you're right. You need to check it. But we're going to hold off on that step right now. We're going to focus on these 3. Okay. So, first step, what do? Distribute. So, this negative 5x has nothing to do with it. Just going to copy it down. Here's my distribution right here. So, 2 times x is, 2x. 2 times negative 3. I'm actually going to write this down too to help myself. 2 times negative 3, so I have a positive times a negative. So that's going to be negative 6. And it's okay to have your times tables out for this also. Equals negative 27. There we go. Okay, step 1, done. Check. Next, combine like terms. Ooh. I see the x's here, negative 5x and 2x. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3x. Minus 6, just copy the res down. There we go. This is negative. So, now I'm back here. I need to get x by itself. I need to do the opposite operations. And now I'm solving. Opposite of negative 6 is positive 6. I'm going to add 6. So, negative 3x equals negative 27 plus 6. So, that means I'm going to the right. So, that's going to be negative 26, negative 25, negative 24, negative 23, negative 22, negative 21. There we go. Negative 21. So, it's okay to count on your fingers here. So, if I owe $27 and I get 6, that means I owe less money. So, that's why I counted down. Alright, so opposite of multiplication is division. Not divided by positive 3, divided by negative 3, because negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. 1 times x is just x, remember that. So whatever you do on one side, you go to the other. Negative divided by a negative, is a positive there. 3 times what is 21? That would be 7. X equals 7. There we go, yeah. Cool. Alright, let's try this one. Right. Example 2, write that down. Negative 94 equals 2x minus 2 times the quantity 6x plus 7. All right. Write it down, write it down, write it down. Whoop! First thing. Okay. Step 1, what do? Distribute. So, I'm going to distribute first. I'm going to distribute the negative 2. I always circle that, so make sure I don't forget the negative there. So, copy the rest down. We're not dealing with it. Now, negative 2 times 6x is negative 12x. Positive times negative is negative. Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. Got it. Okay, cool. Negative 94, 2x minus 12x. Well, 12 minus 2 is 10, but 2 minus 12. If I have $2 and I lose 12, that means I'm negative, right? I lose, I'm down $10. Minus 14. Copy that down. That's not a like term. I'm not combining it. Okay, so I'm solving for x. Opposite of subtracting 14 is adding 14. There we go. So, if I owe 94 and I get 14, that means I owe less. So I need to subtract these. So that's going to be and if I owe 94, that means I still owe 80. I still owe a lot of money. If I owe 94 and I get 14, I still owe $80. That's how I think about it. All right, negative 10x, let's bring that down. Opposite of multiplying by negative 10 is dividing by negative 10. Nice. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. And this is 1 times x, which is just x. X equals 8. Got it. Cool, good job. All right, you try one. Let's see. Here we go. Example 3, last one of the video. 36 equals negative 4x plus 4 times the quantity 3x minus 5. Write that down. All right. Ready, set, go. Do the whole thing. All right, first step. What do? Distribute. So I'm going to copy this down because the distribution is right here. 4 times 3x is 12x. 4 times negative 5. Positive times a negative is a negative. There we go. Okay, second step, combine like terms. Right here and here. 12x minus 4x. So 12 minus 4 is 8. There we go. Bring down the negative 20 here. What's the opposite of subtracting 20? That would be adding 20. So 6 plus 0. You gotta add the ones first. 6, 3 plus 2, 56. No calculators. Look at that. 8 times what number is 56? 8 times what number is 56? 8 times 7. 8 times 7 is 56. Got it. There we go. Hopefully you got 7. Go work. Okay, keep practicing those. Great job.